NASA says Discovery is safe to come home after late inspections by the crew. The astronauts are aiming for a 1:39 p.m. Eastern landing at the Kennedy Space Center.
And you can see that ground track is coming up from the south going to Kennedy Space Center.
Weather is expected to be best on that first opportunity. If the shuttle has to go around again, landing time in Florida would be 3:14 p.m. The shuttle would come across West Florida first. This landing will be different from others. Technicians installed a special tile with a small bump on it below Discovery's left wing. That's meant to heat up the shuttle more than normal in a controlled way, but within vehicle safety limits.
We're going to have a small protuberance on the bottom side of the left wing, on the port wing, and what its intention is, it's going to purposefully trip the boundary layer, the aerodynamic boundary layer that flows around the orbiter a little bit earlier so that we can get some great scientific information.
When the shuttle slows down to Mach 15, the bump will disrupt the airflow and heat up the underside of a select group of tiles a little more than normal. Some tiles in that select group have been outfitted to take temperature readings of the heating event as it happens. This will give NASA data to understand what the effects will be of anything accidentally sticking out under any space vehicle during re-entry. The agency sent an astronaut out on a spacewalk during the return to flight mission to pull out pieces of gap filler material sticking out below the shuttle's surface. This new data could tell them if they really needed to do that and will help them with the shuttle's replacement. Follow the return of Space Shuttle Discovery on Spaceflight Now.